What's up guys? Today we are going to show you how to add countdown timer in your Shopify store. To do so, we need to install an app from App Store of Shopify. So go to apps, click all recommended apps to open Shopify App Store. And now here just type countdown. In these results, go with this essential countdown timer bar. Click Add App and Install App. Now this is the dashboard of Essential Countdown Timer bar. To create a new timer, we need to click this button here. So we go and click it. And now we have to choose a timer type. I want to choose a timer for product page, so I click here, select this timer type. Now we are editing the timer. This is the countdown name and it's only visible to you. As you can see, the title is Hurry Up, and here at the preview countdown it shows Hurry Up. You can change it whatever you want, for example, the last chance. And there is subheading under the title. And then you have timer labels. You can select where the timer starts and when it ends. For example, we want to end the timer at 31st July of 2023. You can also design it by changing the colors, but I will leave it as it is. And now you need to publish. Now as the countdown timer is published, we need to activate it. So click Activate. And now you can see the countdown timer activated successfully. If we go to the product page, you can see here the countdown is shown. Okay guys, this is how we add a countdown timer to our Shopify store. I think that this is a very good option to add to your store because for sure it will drive more sales. So guys, I hope you found this video helpful. Please like and share this video. And for sure, don't forget to subscribe our channel. See ya in the next video.